guys, Dennis here again and welcome to another video. So ngayon ang pag-uusapan natin ay kung paano magbayad ng home credit gamit ang Gcash. So just sign in to your Gcash account as usual, type in your PIN code. So as you can see, I have 3,000 balance there. Just choose pay bills and then choose loans because home credit is a loan. And then hanapin nyo lang yung home credit. And then the next page will show the form. Just put in all your home credit information, including the contract number, that's your loan account number, as you can see on the contract. And then the account name, yun yung pangalan ng umutang. And then the amount, that's, advice ko lang, put in the exact amount kung magkano talaga yung babayaran nyo. And then email address, kasi dyan ipapadala yung receipt. So just confirm everything, if everything is correct, and it will automatically be deducted from your Gcash account. And you will receive the receipt, as you can see there. Advice ko lang, screenshot nyo siya para may reference kayo, just in case magka-problema kay home credit. Pwede natin silang habulin. So, by the way guys, kung wala pa kayong Gcash account, may tutorial po ako dyan. Just check my channel. I'll also leave a link below. And kung bago pa lang kayo sa Gcash, if you use my code, you will receive 20 pesos free. That's totally free, even without validating your account. It will automatically be added on your account. So, as you can see earlier, you will also receive text message from Gcash confirming the transaction. So, the amount will automatically deducted from your Gcash account, and there, I only have 500 pesos remaining on my account. And that's all for today. Again, my name is Dennis. Thank you for watching and have a great day.